Golden Corral, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business. The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Golden Corral. Golden Corral is one of the largest buffet-style restaurant chains in the United States, offering all-you-can-eat meals with over 150 menu items including grilled meats, fresh salads, sides, and desserts. The company was founded in 1973 by James Maynard and William F. Carl in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Golden Corral earns money by serving high-volume meals through dine-in, takeout, and catering services. Its mission is to make dining affordable, abundant, and family-friendly. The brand's vision is to be America's premier buffet restaurant by delivering quality food, warm hospitality, and strong franchise support. Are you wondering if a Golden Corral franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll give you key information about Golden Corral, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. 1. How does a Golden Corral franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information, franchise model. Golden Corral operates on a single-unit and multi-unit franchise system. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the brand, following strict standards for food preparation, service, and layout. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $5,000, plus 4% royalty and 1% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Golden Corral. Franchisees receive help with site selection, construction, training, and marketing. The brand offers ongoing support through field consultants, digital platforms, and a franchise advisory council.
Anecdote. One of the first Golden Corral franchisees in Texas built their location next to a church, and Sunday lunch became so popular that they added extra seating just for post-service crowds.
Calorie costs for Golden Corral. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information, initial costs. Total investment ranges from $21,684.19 to $66,025.13, depending on location and format. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses, and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per unit ranges from $25,000 to $55,000. With profit margins from 12% to 20%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $3,000 to $11,000 annually.
Anecdote. One Golden Corral in Florida hit $58,000 in sales in its first year, thanks to a location near a retirement community and a senior early bird promotion that went viral.
3. Step by step. How to register a Golden Corral franchise and how long does it take? Key information, registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $25,000 and liquid assets of $5,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 9 to 15 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. During Discovery Day, one applicant was so impressed by the chocolate fountain demo that they signed their agreement before dessert, calling it the sweetest deal I've ever made.
4. Taxes and fees in Golden Corral. What do you need to know before you start? Key information, income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Golden Corral charges 1% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and brand partnerships.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Ohio used their local marketing budget to sponsor a Family Feast Friday event, boosting weekend traffic by 42%.
5. Hiring employees in Golden Corral. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Golden Corral location needs from 40 to 75 employees, including cooks, servers, prep staff, dishwashers, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $5,000 to $12,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Golden Corral's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Michigan trained their entire team using Golden Corral's digital platform and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 2 months after opening.
6. Golden Corral. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information monthly. Ingredients and resources. $3,000 to $6,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $4,000 to $75,000 including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $1,000 to $2,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $5,000 to $12,000 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $3,000 to $8,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $5,000 to $1,000 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $7,000 to $15,000 per month including income, sales, and property taxes. Other, 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and income tax.
Anecdote. One Golden Corral in California served over 12,000 guests during Thanksgiving weekend, forcing the team to restock mashed potatoes 3 times in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 1. Training and support. How does Golden Corral help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees complete a multi-week onboarding program at Golden Corral's headquarters and in certified training restaurants. The curriculum covers food safety, buffet operations, guest service, inventory, and financial management. Operational support. Each franchisee is assigned a franchise business consultant, FBC, who provides ongoing guidance in operations, staffing, and marketing. Support includes quarterly performance reviews, benchmarking, and access to proprietary systems. E-learning platform. Golden Corral offers a digital training system for crew members, including interactive modules, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect menu changes and operational updates. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Golden Corral also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote. One franchisee in North Carolina trained their entire team using Golden Corral's e-learning platform, and won Best Buffet Execution in their region just 2 months after opening.
Franchise inspections in Golden Corral. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information, external inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Golden Corral Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, buffet presentation, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote. A Golden Corral location in Arizona passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Ladle Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
Profitability of Golden Corral. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Franchisees earn average annual revenues from $25,000 to $55,000. With profit margins from 12% to 20%, net earnings typically range from $3,000 to $11,000 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 12% to 20%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 3 to 5 years depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, high-volume buffet model, impulse-driven purchases, and strategic placement in high-traffic areas. Locations near schools, churches, and shopping centers tend to perform best.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Georgia broke even in just 34 months, thanks to a location near a mall and a loyalty app campaign that boosted repeat visits by 28%.
10. Golden Corral in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information, market position. Golden Corral operates over 500 locations nationwide, with a mix of traditional buffet formats and new prototypes like end caps and mall conversions. It remains the largest buffet-style restaurant chain in the U.S. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding through non-traditional formats, mobile ordering, and delivery partnerships. In 2025, Golden Corral added 22 new U.S. locations and launched a sustainability initiative focused on food waste reduction and energy efficiency. Challenges. Rising food costs, labor shortages, and competition from buffet chains like Ryan's, Old Country Buffet, and hometown-style diners have impacted margins. Golden Corral responds with menu innovation, tech upgrades, and flexible build-outs. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through value dining trends, loyalty programs, and family-focused promotions. The U.S. buffet market is projected to grow from $8.2 billion in 2025 to $10.4 billion by 2030, CAGR 4.8%.
Anecdote. In 2025, Golden Corral launched its first mini buffet concept in a college town and saw a 19% increase in lunch traffic within the first quarter.
11. Pros and cons of a Golden Corral franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition and loyal customer base. B. High-volume buffet model with broad appeal. E. Flexible development formats including mall conversions and end caps. D. Proven franchise support system with national purchasing power. A cons kitche's high initial investment. B. C. Large staffing requirements. C. Operational complexity due to buffet format. D. Vulnerability to food cost fluctuations and seasonal demand shifts.
Anecdote. One franchisee in New Jersey said, "Golden Corral gives you the food, the crowd, and the brand power. You just need to bring the consistency."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information, market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Golden Corral owners. Attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Golden Corral's training, tech, and marketing support with other buffet brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a pizza brand until they saw Golden Corral's buffet margins and realized variety was the real gold mine.
Conclusion. Who is the Golden Corral franchise for, and is it worth investing? Golden Corral is ideal for entrepreneurs who value high-volume dining, family-friendly service, and a proven buffet model. With average annual revenues from $25,000 to $55,000 and profit margins from 12% to 20%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage large teams and complex operations. Most franchisees recover their investment within 3 to 5 years, making it one of the more stable opportunities in the full-service restaurant category. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $21,684.99 to $66,025.13, and Golden Corral enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. The Golden Corral is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and buffet-style service. If you're ready to lead a large team, deliver abundant meals, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Golden Corral in Chicago broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 7,200 guests and 600 gallons of sweet tea in 24 hours. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Fazoli's. Is Fazoli's a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.